provide several different types of roofing. So one of the most popular ones that we do is just replacement roofing with asphalt shingles, whether that would be some architectural shingles or designer shingles. And that's simply where we come in. We basically take off your existing roof, meaning that we don't come in and put shingles over shingles that are already on your roof. We're going to take all those off, go right down to what we call your roof deck, just to make sure that everything is going to be in great sound condition. The worst thing we want to do is put new shingles over a roof that's having problems. So as we roof, we take it all the way down to your roof deck. If there happens to be any type of damage, we actually include up to about 5 new sheets of roof deck within ours. And then we'll put all kinds of waterproofing and just underlayment down. And then we'll put in some nice new shingles of your choice and color. And then one of the things that we really take into consideration is protecting your roof for the long haul. And that means proper ventilation. So most of the times we're cutting in new ventilation into your roof. A lot of times we use what we call ridge vents, which have vents all the way at the peak. And then some roofs we have to use what we call just a standard open cap vent. And just to make sure, again, we want to protect your roof so that you get many years of life out of it. Now, another popular roofing choice that we offer is what we call metal roofing. And I'm sure you've seen it where you have different styles. It looks like some barn metal. They also have some designer metal where it looks like shingles or slate and stuff like that. Those are other services that we offer as well. Again, how do we make your roof protect your home and last as long as possible? Give us a call for more info.